Hello, gentlemen. I'm your host, Tony, and you've tuned into Redirecting Life's Journey. Here, we seek to empower you to embrace life's turns and twists, to pivot when needed, and to journey towards personal growth. Each of us has the capacity to change, evolve, and become better versions of ourselves. This podcast is a beacon for all men ready to adjust their sails and venture into the thrilling journey of self-improvement. You might have faced moments thinking, am I on the right path? Could I be doing more? Or, what if I chose a different direction? You're not alone. These moments of reflection are your inner self's readiness to grow, to pivot. Today's episode revolves around the concept of pivot points, the moments or decisions that can drastically change our life's trajectory. These moments can be daunting, but they often lead us to growth and transformation. Imagine standing at a crossroads, uncertain of which path to choose. Each path presents its unique challenges and opportunities, and it's up to you to decide. The choice might seem intimidating, but remember, every path is an opportunity for a new adventure, for self-discovery. Consider these crossroads as pivot points in your life, and each path as a potential new direction for personal and professional growth. The journey might be uncertain, with twists and turns, but as the saying goes, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Remember, growth is a winding road, filled with ups and downs, hurdles and breakthroughs. But each hurdle is a lesson, and each breakthrough brings you closer to your goals. As we progress through this series, we'll delve deeper into this concept of pivot points. For now, reflect on the crossroads in your life. What are the pivot points you've encountered or might be facing? How can they direct you towards growth? As we conclude today's session, I thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. Every step towards personal growth, no matter how small, is a step towards success. So keep exploring, keep pivoting, and I'll see you in the next episode. You're listening to Pivot Points, Redirecting Life's Journey, with me, your host, Tony. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions on personal development.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.